No, no. I like natural something.
You know do okay, you know do okay.
They okay. Because it's not good make person they take drug before he gets sex.
It did very okay because when it comes to sex, I'm really crazy about it. So I like, girls they go really give me everything I want. You understand?
As for me, it's not okay because of person go kill me now. You know understand? You no go tire at all. You no go tire. For me, I go tire. You know, I go don't release. He's still there because he's dealing with drugs. You know, he's not doing it intent. I like it natural.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now Bobozi and Bede so now they watch, and we deal with Mirabel inside bar today, aka Mimi. And matter what they talk about today, and I say, it okay make your partner they take sex drugs. We go they enhance in sex performance. Then at the matter what they talk about. Our social media portals, they your screen. Make you they talk your own matter. Make we say they follow you talk on top Facebook, Instagram, and even everywhere. Twitter self did them.
So I want to let me really jump on it because I know say most times many guys the way they take all this sex enhancement, but they really take them because you're a young guy ready for maybe 20s and above, maybe never even reach 40, never even reach 50. But they take them, and the reason why most of them they take them is just because of say most times too ladies they also be the cause, which the effect now on you, the guy, where they stupid enough to want impress a girl, where in the end, you understand, you really no need to impress because nobody don't collect any award or anything. Shakara, have you ever gotten an award on that?
Have you got it?
Excuse me, I'm not a virgin. Have you got it? You have gotten
private ones.
That he has gotten, this game is right. Take. This game is right. They might be private awards that you have received.
Let me tell you. Do you know people when they, some people they look, say they use height, take judges.
They judge out.
They don't really say this very tall guy.
That's how it is now. Yeah, that's how it is.
They don't say most of us we are 2 minutes men.
We don't know, like you. You're not. Let us talk about
there's
yourself.
some men that are 2 minutes men.
Talk about yourself, not the people that are not here.
Funny enough, you might not believe this.
That's what?
That I'm a 2 minutes man.
You?
Because I know value am. I don't take cranking as anything.
Excuse me, who are you trying to impress?
No, wait, if I have the opportunity.
Now your viewers have been Mirabel, which one?
No,
He just a talking own. So that you will know.
See, let me tell you.
Yes.
I know myself.
Good.
I know the last. Because I know they always do. So
but you can go like 5, 6, 7
when I see that opportunity.
But you can go 5, 6, 7 rounds.
It'll be like Christmas, so I have to enter.
Well done. No, but see, my point is this. I know say yes, to take drugs, if you know, say like you be maybe the 2 minutes man, you understand, then you have a problem. That is where you now know you need medical help. And if you go hospital, if you collect some drugs where they will give you. But don't only they prescribe by yourself.
Or they will tell you something.
Just be a doctor
spontaneous things
for the now and answer this question. What's really a 2 minute man? You get this girl way that admire. For example, let's take the likes of Juliet Brahim and co. That you know that it's a privilege.
Why do you want me to come now?
You see that? You said I don't want you to come. In that case, why do you use my girlfriend's name? In that case, if you enter and come, are you a 2 minutes man?
Yes, you are.
No, it might be anxious.
Let me tell you, it's understandable because Juliet Ibrahim fit understand say this one you understand, which can fall your hand. Because sometimes some girls when they look you like say, but you did that.
I feel say some men, some guys, the excitement they make them
for me now. For example,
that excitement.
Yeah, what we say I did dream of. For example, now take an Amber Rose. For example, now. If
you never call Rita Dominic, where in Nigeria here, where you belong. Nah, Barros, where the band carry come. You know, feel sick, crack and for you.
No, she don't like those kind of guys. You understand?
You don't like Happy Band? Coco Master?
No, forget Coco Master for Matt. You know, one day for a hotel with a piece, where the band had a piece. I can't believe that time where that thing where the band always say no long thing. Yes. You understand? You no long. You understand? But people don't know. You understand? You no long. Now, if I meet person like Amber Rose now, I just come under the first 50 seconds. She not supposed to be disappointed at me. She's supposed to take and say, man, Am I this hot to this guy?
Let me tell you.
Understand?
Let me tell you.
Some women know they understand them that way.
Women know they understand that way because in fact, she's here.
Let her. Yes.
Let her say.
Mirabel, for instance, now let's say if you want crank now, you don't see the guy just come papa within space of under 2 minutes. The guy don't land, he don't reach promised land. How would you feel? And you had so much expectation.
In my mind, I'll be like, wow, is this what I'll be going through?
So your mind will go first thing say, this guy is
I'll
so
just be
hungry.
like, okay, now let's see the next impression. This impression, no water.
The first one is not always. It's good, ladies.
Just the watch if you no want to, if you no do aware, next one, I feel para small.
You go para, but you know, see him again.
I go para so that next
go
time.
no,
I don't go just leave him like that now. Because before he go reach that cranky level, the attachment, the emotional.
Okay, you be like the kind of person where they go study 7 years before they for your university before they go.
Person no fit toast you today. No fit shake you today.
Why?
The next minute na done dey.
Why? What's wrong with that? You know, Nigerian girls with all this, you must spend long time before.
No, they cost am.
How?
No, they cost am.
What is there in cracking?
The girl fit believe you, but for your man after you just say this girl cheap. Now one way, now only one sentence. So now they cost am.
Now they I understand where your fear they come from, and then but I always tell ladies say, look, don't make it look as don't fool.
If you like one guy, no.
If you like, let me tell you, if you like any of us here like this now, you understand? Don't waste. Opportunity comes but once.
Like
now.
So no need to go and say if she like
look at me. You
your original spec, kind of man you like. You like short men or tall men?
No, I like them tall. As in tall.
Chicken. Let's drink and just say.
What is your definition of tall?
And say happy day.
What's your definition of tall?
I mean, in
tall is tall, short is short. Wait.
You must be physically tall. I like them tall, dark, and a little bit of muscle. Yeah. I don't want someone who is extremely skinny. If you are tall and skinny.
So like me now, wait, I tall for your eye, I not tall.
I don't know.
She don't know, she don't feel the question. Let's just pretend that
some women said they would they take enhancement drugs too.
Yes.
Some women they take enhancement drugs. Now that kind of woman will crank you from morning till night.
What woman want to take her for? What is she?
No, some women they take her.
Never for you.
No, some women like them they do the riding now. So.
Some women.
How many women they do the riding? How many?
See, let me tell you.
How many Nigerian
women? You never jump here before we say he tell you say no worry. I'm doing the work. Even though when you did said they do the work, now they do the work.
Meanwhile, I can't say it. No, I can't say it.
Okay, somebody.
There's somebody that is a celebrity that somebody is cranking in this Nigeria. Person get girlfriend, you understand? But when we saw the girl with the lead, you understand? Last time, you tell me say.
Don't mention me.
No, let me now tell me the person. Friend. And this person was working here before. Was our colleague. You understand? Yes, one time. But he's cranking a top celebrity that. His head is confused. In fact, there's anytime when you hold on, you understand? Hey, you know when we can see that song, say, I get the one we like clothes. I get the one you say, if you come, you go fire. You just want the fire, the fire, they go. Those kind of people, they are there in this life. I never knew that a girl can hold a man, you understand? And the man will be so confused that even he goes always come back to. So now, I am moved to, I want to see. Because I've never been dealt with in my life. No, women they will say,
all the girls when they are quite born Calabar, I never see.
Nobody abandoned me.
You want one? You want one?
I want somebody to say it. Not be lie.
For
they say
they want to undo you.
Yes.
Then you will beg her.
Say it.
Okay, you want?
I want.
Shoman, seriously?
I say I want.
Calabash and toast to that. Because I'm giving you one.
I toast to what? To Nigeria, my country.
No. To your new partner
that will finish you.
That will fate you.
When will I have this partner?
As soon as you want it this week.
Okay. Because I want to see it. I think they say get the rape guy. Okay. They say can they
Okay,
get?
will you come back here and share the testimony?
Testimony. That's the deal.
I promise you,
That's
anything that happened, if I wanted to faith, you understand? I will tell you. You understand?
No.
I will say it here. After I have a good night time and nobody wants for the first time, I will brag about it. I want to see that.
But really, we get babes who say that they take enhancement drugs. We say now with that drugs now that they take, they make them stay longer.
And if a girl takes that kind of drug now, and the guy don't take, that guy is in trouble.
Some don't even. You get some girls. Now guys they take pass. Some girls they just naturally. You understand?
Yeah.
Bad like that.
You know why some girls? Why some girls they take and they say they don't also realize say most guys they take a man, which is because if a guy they take and a girl no take, it's bad. You want to punish the girl because I don't understand how a guy go there on top of a girl 2 hours. And you are still. What are you doing?
You be woman. How you don't feel when guy just you don't expect you don't reach promised land like 3 times. The guy never even reach once. How you go feel?
Wow.
You like to see they reach the promised land they go. I think reaching promised land for ladies is not a problem.
For some problem it is. It depends. Every woman gets. Every woman gets. Every woman
asked a question.
Every woman gets your spot.
How many times?
For some women.
How many times can a woman come?
You've not seen a man that can go 1 hour non-stop
without coming.
Without coming.
Yes, now he's there. And the man will come like how many times? Maybe 3 or 4, 5 times. But if a woman comes 5, 6, 7, 8 times,
she'll be exhausted.
She'll be tired.
Once
you'll be tired.
Exhausted.
I want the girl if I do one, she don't tired. No be lie. When I don't get time, say I'm very busy.
I'm lost.
Once. Because I don't know why men go they bother them. I like that guy may say the natural way, you understand? Say like go. But I can only recommend for persons we get medical issues. We also know say because if I marry a girl now, but I'm where you want to give me now.
Yeah. You want marry her?
I'm just saying, no. As if I marry that kind of one, you understand?
Then you call like
I don't want the girl if you give me one. No. I just want one man because I don't want girl call no way. You know see man they don't leave out. They say man they come back and they say go back home. They say no. Say if I prefer to go around like 3.
Sleep.
No. If you go by 3, and even if you like, once she hears for door, she don't ready. But you know say once you don't like 6, work don't begin. So you want to go, no problem.
Thank you say you come back.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
Carry